Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. The highly anticipated JCDC Festival Queen Grand Coronation Show was held last night at the National Arena in Kingston. The competition saw 13 talented and creative ladies competing for the 2019 title of Miss Jamaica Festival Queen. The night ended with St. Catherine native Kamara Wright being crowned the winner of the competition.
Congratulations, Kamara Wright, the 2019 JCDC Miss Jamaica Festival Queen winner.
First runner-up was Miss Kingston and St. Andrew Anna K. Hudson, while second runner-up was Chardonnay Parkins of St. James. Minister of Entertainment and Culture Olivia Babsy Grange is happy with the improvement of the show and the turnout.
Tonight has been very fantastic. 13 ladies, young ladies from across the island, as parish queens. They all did exceptionally well.
The 2019 Miss Jamaica Festival Queen, Kamara Wright, was honored to have won the crown for her parish, St. Catherine, which has not won the competition in 29 years.
The journey has been a challenging one, but I'm absolutely grateful for everything that I've learned in the process. I can definitely say that I'm a changed woman since being in this competition, and I'm just excited to serve and grow and to learn as much as possible.
The Grand Coronation Show, organized by the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission, has catapulted the careers of countless young Jamaican women for over 50 years. Some of the more notable past queens include Dr. Marsha Barnett, Jennifer Jenny Small, Jacinth Hall Tracy, Dahlia Harris, Crystal Tomlinson, and Casey Johnson. The program focuses extensively on the pivotal role of women in society in various capacities. The coronation was held under the Jamaica 57th Independence Celebration theme, One Nation, One People.
Deny a bingy man a beat him drum. Him say the cure for cancer come. HIV and the one glaucoma. Arthritis and the one bipolar. Give me a chance now. Me a the ital thing. The lemon drop will make you constantly sing.
Now, continuing in the spirit of emancipation, the Governor General of Jamaica, His Excellency the Most Honorable Sir Patrick Allen, hosted the third staging of his independence reception yesterday, held at the lawns of King's House. The reception was well attended by government officials and members of the diplomatic corps. The evening featured a live musical performance from Asher Performing Arts Company, who delivered an excerpt from Marcus Garvey the musical.
Garvey traveled throughout South and Central America, witnessing the awful conditions that black people were living in. Marcus Garvey asked, "Where is the black man's country?"
Musical selections were also offered by Lacadco Drum Explosion and Dwight Richards and Friends in concert. Another highlight of the night was the viewing of an art exhibition mounted by the African Caribbean Institution. The exhibition was based on Africa and Marcus Garvey. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.